In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear sway bar bushings on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and an 18mm socket, unscrew the two sway bar bracket retaining bolts. Then, turn the metal bracket. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the bushing out of its slot. This will release the bushing lugs from the metal bracket. Remove the bushing. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Clean the sway bar and the bracket with a wire brush. Also, clean the contact surface between the bushings and the body. Finish with brake cleaner and wipe with a paper towel. Apply silicone grease to facilitate the installation. You can order the parts used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bushing, install it in the sway bar. Put the metal bracket back in place. You can use a plastic mallet. Then, screw the metal bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.